So before we talk about writing an equation given zeros, we want to know what exactly is a zero. So a zero is a solution to your equation. So you can think about them like your answers. Now to write an equation given zeros, we want to identify the zeros as x is equal to your number and x is equal to your number. I just wrote P and Q just for the sake of having variables. Now, each zero corresponds to a factor. After you identify the zeros, go ahead and multiply the factors, and then write your equation in standard form. So let's look at this example together. Write a possible equation for a quadratic in standard form given the zeros -6, 0, and 2, 0. So the first thing we want to do is identify what your zeros are. They are -6 and 2. So these are your answers. These are x is equal to -6 and x is equal to 2. Now remember that these correspond to a factor. So your answer of -6 came from the factor of x plus 6. So when I set x plus 6 is equal to 0, I would have gotten an answer of x is equal to a -6. The same happens with the x minus 2. That factor, when I set it equal to 0, would have given me my answer of +2. So here are your two factors, x plus 6, x minus 2. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply using FOIL or double distribute or your box method. When I simplify, I get x squared plus 4x minus 12. So notice how my quadratic is in standard form. Here you are given two other zeros, 0 and 4. So the factor in which the answer came from would have been x is equal to 0 and x minus 4. So when I multiply my factors together, I'll distribute. And I get x squared minus 4x. And again, make sure you write in standard form, which I do have. Here are two other zeros, -8 and -6. The factor in which that 0 came from was x plus 8 and x plus 6. So when I multiply my factors together and then combine my like terms, when I write my equation in standard form, I get x squared plus 14x plus 48. Here are some things for you to remember. A zero is the same thing as a solution to an equation. And always write your equation in standard form. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for notifications on new videos. Thanks for watching!